Alright, this is the full version of the stir-fried noodle. First, cut the vegetable and chop up the garlic. There we go. And stir-fry the garlic a little bit until it has a good aroma. And add in the vegetable and stir the vegetable. At this point, you don't need any seasoning yet. Just stir-fry the vegetable just for now. And then while that is being cooked, break the package the ramen package into four, and then take out the seasoning package to add to the vegetable. There we go. And for some taste, you can add the whole package to of seasoning. For me, I just use about half of it to add to the vegetable because it may be too salty and I don't like salty food, so I just use half of it to add to the vegetable, and then stir some more. At this point, the vegetable turns brownish, and while the vegetable is being cooked, the water is boiled. So we add in the ramen into the boiled water, and after the it's being cooked, we separate and put a kind of a hole in the middle to add in the protein. I use shrimp for this part, but you can use anything for protein. Check on the noodle to make sure it's ready. At this point, it's not ready yet, so we'll keep on stirring some more on the noodle. Make sure all of it is break out, and stir some more on the shrimp and the vegetable, and we keep doing that until it's cooked. While that is being cooked, again, make sure you check on the boiled noodle to make sure it's ready, and make sure they're not overcooked on the noodle. All right, now the noodle is about to be ready, and I'm going to drain it out of water. There we go. And then now, after the noodle is drained and out of all the water is drained, go ahead and add it back into the shrimp and the vegetable, and stir fry some more. This is a lot of stirring, and then add in the other seasoning package from the ramen noodle into the on top of the noodle. With this, you don't have to actually do any kind of like seasoning beside just the one that came with the ramen noodle, and kids love it. And this is perfectly fine. I don't have to make a vegetable side dish for them to pack for school. And at this point, the noodles should be ready to be eaten, and I just pack them up for them to take to school. Usually they empty every tiny bit of noodle and the lunch packing, and the leftover is for breakfast.